next we have the prize.
Sai Joshita Anna Reddy.
Play the music.
Next, Pratibha K. Pallavi Reddy G. Pallavi Reddy G. Tanuja M. Vishnupriya Konda. Tanuja N. Konda Vishnupriya. Sai Ranga Harshita B. Sai Ranga Harshita B. Viharika P. Supraja B. Shaheen Kumruddin. Vinila B. Let me call upon the section-wise toppers among the girls. Raga Hasita, A2. Raga Hasita, A2. Raga Hasita, A2. Raga Harshita, A2. Ushastri from T4. Shivajyoti from Techno 1. Shivajyoti from Techno 1. Bhagyavanu from A1. Shivajyoti from Techno 1. Bhagyavanu from A1. Ushastri of T4. Now let me call upon the best player in games from girls. That's CH Vaishnavi who take part in basketball, throw ball, kabaddi, kho-kho, softball, football, etc. I welcome CH Vaishnavi to please take our prize. Here is the best sport girl among girls. Let me welcome R. Sushma. Please give her a big round of applause. Now let me welcome Roshni from Techno 2 who have taken part in the soft zone national level. Let's welcome the national player. Congrats Roshni. Now I would like to call upon the best parent team.
I request all the prize winners among girls to be there next to the stage for a group photo.
All the prize winners are requested to be aside of the Satrama. Big them a give round of applause. They are in Montessori since their childhood, so they feel that Montessori have a very homely atmosphere. I request all the prize winners to please be on the dais.
All prize winners, you just be there on the dais for a group photo.
Reddy K from FTV. KV Ashwin Reddy from FTV. KV Ashwin Reddy from FTV. N Ajit Kumar Reddy. N Ajit Kumar Reddy. Rahul Sai K.
ए फोटो पिलू ए सीनू फोटो फोटो
Abhishek Reddy V. Sai Manjunath Reddy K. KV Ashwant Reddy from FTV. N.
सर काजे सर जर्रा
Rahul Sai K. KV Abhishek Reddy V. Kumar J. Satya Ganesh Kurwa. Satya Ganesh. I request all the section wise toppers to please be on the stage. Rakesh Reddy. Yashwant Rao K from A4. Rajesh S from T2. Dinesh H from T3. Bharat Kumar Gaur from Techno 2. Sai Manjunath K from FTV. Dinesh H from T3. Dinesh H from T3. Rajesh S from T2. I would like to call upon the best player in games among boys. That's none other than J. Nagendra Prasad from Techno 2. I heartily congratulate him for this. I would like to invite the best sports boys part in the cricket and athletics. I would like to call upon the long-standing students who are studying in Montessori since their LKG, UKG and first class till their last year, that's Techno 2.
one or two volunteers to come onto the stage to pick out the names of the luckiest people among you.
It's time to have some fun and really exciting moments of distributing surprising gifts to the luckiest ones among us. Let me now call upon two volunteers among you.
The first luckiest winner is being chosen by Raju sir here. Let us see who is the lucky winner now.
Raga Harshita, A. 2772, Raga Harshita, A. Please come over to the stage. Parle. Actually, bad luck for boys. Again, girl only. Lakshmi, Sindhu, Deepika. Girls seem to be lucky. 7239. Raga Harshita, A, and Lakshmi, Sindhu, Deepika.
7239. Here are the surprise gifts.
We still have many luckiest guys among you. I don't know who would get that particular thing. We have to wait and watch as the show runs.
Here
Okay?
is Fuzzy to draw the lucky winners.
Avinash 438A.
B. Avinash.
B. Monica 5096.
Starting out to please draw the winner.
B. Maunika 5096. Is there anybody else who would like to come onto the dais to pick out the winners? One of you come on up. Yeah.
Children, it is Pavan Teja, 6729. Pavan Teja, 6729. Come on to the stage.
Here is Ramcharan to again draw a winner.
Lakshmi Charita K 4293. Lakshmi Charita K 4293.
I think the girls are very lucky. I request Neelakanth Chair to please draw a winner.
Hostel number 6580, Vamsi Krishna Yam. Lucky one. Vamsi Krishna Yam, hostel number 6580.
Here is Rachan Raghuv's birthday boy. So let him draw the winner. All of you wish him happy birthday.
Rakeshian 6272. 6272. Rakesh.
I request Varnas Tarot to please draw a winner.
It's Rishikesh M, hostel number 5738.
Rishikesh M. Please come onto the dais to receive your gift.
Here is Gaini ma'am. So, ma'am, please. The winner is
6709 Harish C.
Lucky!
Supraja B.
Supraja B 4178. Thank you, Radhika. I would like Swarna, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am to please draw a winner.
Hostel number 3129, Alekhya G. You are very lucky chappies. 5442. Manvita K.